Lesson 19. Paragraph Writing. Solved examples. Below you have few details on Sir Isaac Newton, the great scientist. Use the information and write a paragraph on it. Also give title at the top. Birth, on the Christmas morning in 1642. Residence, in a small village of Woolsthorpe in Lincolnshire. Parentage, father dead, mother remarried, a clergyman. Guardian, his good old grandmother very kind sent him to at school at 12. Education, at the age of 18 went to Trinity College at the Cambridge University, showed brilliance in mathematics, become professor of mathematics here in 1669. Early life of Newton. Sir Isaac Newton was born in the Christmas morning in 1642 in a small village of Woolsthorpe in Lincolnshire. His father died when he was a child and his mother remarried a clergyman. So his good old grandmother nursed him. She was a very kind lady. She sent him to school at the age of 12. He went to Trinity College at the Cambridge University. He showed great brilliance in mathematics. After completing his education, he became the professor of mathematics in the same college in 1669. A good friend. I hate lie. I always try not to tell lies, and I want that from my friends, too. I think it is the most important behavior. I can believe everything my friends say. In addition, a good friend must say his ideas to me firstly. I mean, he shouldn't talk about me with other people. Especially about the bad thing. He doesn't have to talk because it might be wrong. Secondly, a good friend must help me. He must do his best. He should ask help from me too. If we solve problems together, our friendship will be better and it will become stronger. Thirdly, the talking time is important. I can talk with my friends for a long time, and during that time I must be happy. That's why we should like the same things. In conclusion, trust is the basics of a friendship. The season I like most. All seasons come once in a cycle of 1 year. There are 3 important seasons in our country: summer, winter and the rainy season. December and January are the coolest month, and May and June are the hottest month of the year. July and August brings heavy rains. Each season has its pleasure and pain. In India, the months of February and March are very pleasant and bring happiness with many festivals. This season is called spring. The spring season I like the most. It is neither hot nor cold. It is the season of greenery, flowers, fruits and festivals. The wind blows in its special way, like playing with trees and having green leaves plants. It sings when passes through branches and leaves of trees and plants. In this season, I feel healthy and fit. Value of trees. Trees are our lifeline. We cannot live anywhere on the earth without trees. Mainly we get food, energy from plant kingdom as well as household furniture, medicines, herbs and even oxygen. Trees are not only useful for mankind but also useful for animals. They absorb carbon dioxide from environment and give fresh oxygen. That helps to make environment pollution free. Trees prevent soil erosion, drought and floods. Man has cut down trees in large numbers, and he is cutting more and more trees. Man must stop cutting more trees, otherwise he will suffer greatly.